Okay, I'm going to check the battery drain on my car after I've left it for 40 days. So I last parked on the 22nd of September and the remaining charge was 50% state of charge, or 172 kilometers left. So after 40 days, so on the 1st of November, which is today, we want to see how much state of charge I have on the battery. Usually it's about 1% a day, or a little bit less than 1% a day battery drain. For 40 days, I don't think it would have gone down to about 10%. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's good to be back in the car. I don't need this on, I can just switch it off. 25%. Let me see, 25% left. I can just see what percentage is it. Display. It's a bit slow. It should be okay. Display and distance. 25%, or 86 kilometers left. So it's lost 25% over 40 days. Okay, let's go. I've got to go and charge up. Oh, it's been about a month, yeah. That was the brakes sticking. I should have recorded that actually, shouldn't I? What is recorded? It's just here. A month. Oh, 37 my tyres. Let's have a look. 45? Let's check again. That's nice. You could use this one at the Sinopec where most taxis come. Okay, thank you. Okay, 45 as we put on, so that's nice. This is where all the taxis come for the LPG. Right, now we've done the tyres, we can go home. Just gonna say thank you. Oh, it's where the minibuses come as well for their LPG